Hello, everyone. Today we're going to take a moment to learn a little bit more about Immersive Reader, a Microsoft learning tool and extension that we can use to increase accessibility and differentiation in our classroom. Some of the benefits of Immersive Reader is it improves comprehension, it encourages independent reading, it's simple to use, and most importantly, it's free. It's a free tool that we can all access and use in our classroom with our students. Further here on their website, it does describe ways that you can improve reading comprehension using this tool. I will include the link um, in the screencast, toward the end of the screencast. Now we're going to scroll down and actually see how we can use it in our classrooms. As you can see, I have already pasted my reading passage here, which is just a short exit ticket that I would like students to complete to demonstrate their learning of a figurative language standard. I've copied it and I pasted it. You have the option to select the language, which, as you can see, this option even furthers accessibility and differentiation. Let's think about those ELLs here, and even their family and stakeholders. Now that we've selected English, we're going to try it out.
Read the passage and answer the questions that follow. Jake threw the football to Grandpa.
As you can see, the voice is a female voice that tracks the reader by highlighting the passage word by word. The Immersive Reader also allows you to extend accessibility by spacing the words. Let's think of students maybe with dyslexia or other reading or visionary needs. This definitely lends itself to supporting them. They have a variety of options that you can use to differentiate the text, the size, the font. They also have voice, speed, and voice type options for differentiation as well. As I stated, Immersive Reader is a Microsoft 365 extension learning tool that I hope you find useful in your classroom with your students. I know that I will.